Oh, Papa is bringing the cake now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Akzo.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday for Anna.
Yeah. Hi guys, may naunsang ni atong gumawa ako ng pagka-judge. It's kuan ngayon, ano na, hapon na, alas 5 na. And birthday ni Ella.
Hi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Nagtimpla magkakaw ang birthday girl. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Look at that. Dalaga na kayo. Ang taas na ng buhok, oh. Ayan. Nag-ano ako, guys. Nag-slice ako ng fruits. Fruit slices dyan para sa amin. Nag-order lang kami ng ng pizza, guys. At saka, nag-order lang din ako ng cake. Hindi talaga ako nagluto. Wala talaga akong ginawa. Nag-wrap lang ako ng gift. So, nagsislice ako ay, problema talaga tayo pag dito sa kitchen, no? Hi, Mayor!
Stress pur hier.
Ayan, para makita nyo yung ni-slice.
Warte. Ja, das ist one we start.
Nasa-slice ako ng strawberry. Ako ng fruit. Ano ba? Ito. Dito ko siya lalagay. Wala kaming handa, guys. Nag-order lang talaga kami ng pizza. Tapos, ano ba to? At saka, itong fruits. Ito lang yung kakain ang namin sa table. Plano ko kasi sana is mag-barbecue. Tapos, malamig man yesterday ata to. Hindi, sabi ko, hindi na ito mag-barbecue. Tapos, it turned out today na warm pala. So, gasan ko lang to. Ayan. Nugasan ko lang yung grapes. Pang ano lang to, guys, ba? Pang yung dagdag sa healthy, Mura na ang mga grapes. Always sa season talaga sa birthday ni Ella, mura ang mga grapes. Ang strawberry. Season kasi yan ng strawberry. And then, they like strawberry, kaya, ayan, may strawberry tayo. And then, ayun. Ayan. So, ayan. Hindi na ako maglagay sana ako ng salami and so on, pero hindi na kasi, kami lang kasi guys, alam nyo naman yung mga birthday ko dito, always na lang na walang tao, no? Walang tao, no? Ugasan lang natin yung prutas. At pakita ko sa inyo guys yung hinanda namin sa table. Dali na natin to sa table guys. Ang dami, no? Hindi naman yan maubos. Basta lang may mapik. After sa pizza. Uy, may kukumelon man dito. Ang cake natin nasa fridge pa pala. Ayan. Hello! Say hi! Hi! That's cacao, na?
Mama.
Be careful!
Yeah.
Ella, she needs to be careful. Yan. Nandito si Francis. Huy, mayroon na akong tupiin dyan. Dito. Yan si Vanessa at si Francis. Huy, sandal. Ikaon na. Doon, puta tayo na floor. Kaong sandal ya kung. Hamang ni Jess ni mo dong.
Seine Socke ist im Bett. Ich habe vergessen, sie zu holen.
Okay. Yan. Tagal lang tayo sa pizza. Talang ang mga gift na ni-wrap ko, guys.
Warum ist dieser andere so groß?
That's a, train for you.
Mama, das ist mine.
Ein Zug.
That's yours?
Ja.
Uy, is it your birthday? Be careful, ha? Slowly. Be careful not touch your clothes.
Sein Geburtstag ist im Sommer.
Ugoy, mayabo. Get a lampin, Davy.
Okay.
Be careful. Slowly. You not drink it. Wait lang, guys. Balikan kayo, guys. So, guys, kakain na kami pizza. Pizza lang talaga yung kainin namin. At saka some fruits. Then may ice cream tayo at cake. Yun na. Pites. Happy birthday gapon. Dayon gapong birthday. The birthday is still kuan. Birthday. Still birthday.
Birthday, still birthday.
Yeah, still birthday. Cause pizza oh. And fruits. Pahilti. Pamawi sa pizza. Francis! No, nagkaon naman una-una strawberry. Kain! Dayon nga pong birthday guys. Balag kuan. Oh. Mayor! Francine!
Francine, come on!
And Francis is the... Upo na si Francis. Upo na si Francis sa ano? Sa... Upo na si Francis sa... Strawberry. Francine, come on! Pati. I think I have to slice the strawberry. Hmm?
Hey, Francine, there's your seat. Other side. There. Can you go there?
Slowly.
I'm going to start now.
Yeah, start.
Fancy.
We forget something here.
Fancy. Mine.
Yeah, say hi. Oh,
Hi.
you're eating what?
I'm eating berry.
Berry?
Pizza.
That's pizza.
Pizza, Francine. What is your pizza?
Be careful. Should I straighten you first? Okay, pate. Okay. I get the, what was that? The one, baby? The
Tabasco.
Tabasco. That's the lucky. Francine, be careful.
Not it. I'm not even leaving this girl, but I just have to come down.
Tabasco.
Manchmal kann ich, manchmal nicht
I mix
mehr.
So
natin
meinst du?
sa... I mix
Nicht so.
natin sa...
Nein, so kann ich nicht.
Das oder das andere?
kann-
Ja, der andere war hier und der andere ist da.
Sarap to pag Tabasco.
Nein.
Uy, dali.
Guck, so habe ich gemacht.
Purot ni Francis ang strawberry. Oy!
Guck, Papa, guck.
Oder nochmal?
Ja.
Das ist handicapped, ey.
Cool, und mein Geburtstag zu klauen.
Ich bin klar.
Das ist nicht scharf.
Unsere auch nicht.
Scharf.
Corona.
Thank you. Slice sa imong plato si Francis Bide. Mutang kahalang ang kamot.
Unsa lang ko.
Strawberry. Slice nipis ka na. Kain!
Nein, die hier. Die ist richtig rot.
Ist doch egal.
Okay, aber sie wollte jetzt so richtig rot. Hallo.
Dayon nga pong birthday. Kaon sa mga. Falling asleep si Francis. Ay, busog kayo siguro niya.
Da.
Tungod sa pizza.
No. Strawberry.
Alla.
Ich werde das.
Zuerst.
Francine!
Nein!
Ich werde das.
Puntahan natin si
Okay,
Francine.
wer zuerst? Ich bin dran.
Don't go out yet pa ha, cause I gonna pick up Francine. Come here! Yeah, go here, go here. Yeah, come on pa? Ready pa? Oh, Papa is bringing the cake now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Now blow the candle, make a wish. Yay!
The Tabasco is here. Here for the cake.
Oh my God, das ist ja stehen geblieben.
So Francine, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ach so.
Yeah.
Happy birthday. Tell you. Happy birthday. For Allah.
Yeah. Okay. You wanna eat that now?
Ja. Ich hab nicht was im Teller.
How about open gifts first?
Yeah.
How about that? Be careful, Francine. Be careful, B. B, you cannot eat that, B. B, you cannot eat the candle, B, ha? Just don't forget. Come on.
Das ist alles geschmolzen.
Hier, Boy.
Der wäre verschlafen.
Der schläft gleich, ja. Das ist nicht weiter schlimm.
Was willst du?
So,
Daniela.
no, not yet, not yet, not yet. Wait for Ate Ella. How about you sit there with Ate Ella so you can help?
Komm her, Francine.
Hallo, niemand
Ha?
kann mich sehen.
You help with Ate Ella,
Komm,
okay?
Francine, die.
Okay, open with Ate Ella. Yeah.
Okay.
Is that how you open?
Du machst erstmal den Teser weg. Hier, Francine. Genau.
You cannot enjoy anymore the gift here because Francine is
Ach, ich mach's geöffnet. Oder?
the wrong way. Oh,
Klamotten.
Zeig.
Okay.
That is a once-off opportunity for Francis to have pizza.
Nein. Doch. Nächstes.
the last gift. Tanawa ra ni guys. Hindi na mo ma-enjoy ang gift kay sila ang birthday girl hindi na naka-open.
Oh, jetzt machen wir das. Mama, give me that. Give me that knife.
Bati ni. You
No,
cannot
you won't
have
get that
knife.
No, my knife.
Hier auch.
Das ist mein.
Do you know what that is?
Du hast ein
What's that?
Mine.
What? Wait,
Das hier Plastik. Du hast das von coolen Roller.
nataranta si Francine. Oh, a ruler.
Du hast auch das.
A scooter day. Scooter day. Sorry, Mayor. Sorry, Mayor. Mayor, sorry.
Ich weiß wie. Du machst erstmal das.
Papa will do that.
Dann das los, Ella.
So what will you say, Ella?
Danke. Das geht nicht ab.
Man
Let
kann
Papa
das
do
nicht
it.
nach vorne ziehen, deswegen.
Yeah. You have yours. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you have already yours.
Dieser Rock ist
So that's for Ate Ella. Yeah. Yeah.
Why is that scraped here?
Is it? Oh.
But it's okay.
It's okay. It's gonna
That's your break here, ne, Ella?
Ich weiß.
maybe from the handling. Is this something needs to go on there?
I'm just checking.
And that's until when you're big. I checked that already in vaccine. So you gotta take care of that so you can go with school with Vanessa with that then.
Hallo, ich will nicht.
Warum nicht?
Keine Ahnung.
And you have to be careful with the way you lock it, ne?
Why pa?
Ja, weil das wird
Because
geklaut.
they steal that very easily.
You should not bring that in school then.
You can take it actually inside your classroom. You just have to put it together.
Yeah.
Ja,
You know how to fold?
Julian macht das, aber ich gehe nicht mit Roller zur Schule.
You can, just in case ba. So you know how to fold just in case. Come on.
Nein.
Yeah.
Here.
No, you have to open this. Then you pull that. And then you
Okay.
put it in like
okay.
this. Then it will go back in there again. Then you can lift it. Carry it like that.
Aha.
Okay.
Okay.
That you don't need to put down. You can do that, but that's awkward.
Too much, yeah.
Yeah? When you want to take it out again, you have to set it down. Back in here again. And you have to tighten it this way.
Aber ich will noch nicht Kuchen essen.
You can also put that here.
Yeah, as a shoulder.
But you have to make it longer then. Huh?
Yeah.
Was soll ich damit machen?
And you have that down.
Egal.
You have it like a...
Ja. Ja.
Okay. Aber kalt. Ganz kalt.
Ja klar ist das kalt, ist ja auch aus dem Kühlschrank.
Yummy?
Ja, hab ich da rin gemacht.
Cake guys, kain guys. Cake. Hindi ko to gawa guys. In order lang namin to.
Do I have no chair here anymore? Why is my
Dad,
chair?
Ella has it. Brother, are you okay? Problema ani niya kaon ra gyud in taon.
He says the last bit.
Cheesecake na?
It's
Uda?
like cream. It's like
Cream cheese.
I
Or I
don't
don't
know.
know
Let's see. That you have the first
Wait,
bit.
wait.
So she gets the first bit.
Yeah.
Without your hair, please. The hair doesn't.
Ja, gesehen.
It's like an ice cream cake. I think mas yummy yung cake ko.
Yeah, yummy.
Is my cake what more yummy? My cake or that cake?
It was nice meeting you.
Finde ich auch.
Like an ice cream. Sarap. Pero hindi pa ako kain eh. It's so cold. Para siyang ice cream cake, guys. Para siyang ice cream cake. Sarap. Yummy cake.
Yum, yum. And what do you think? Is yummy?
Yeah.
Show her.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And
But
eat.
try not to mess up your hair.
Yeah, because the butterfly
And
will
eat
fly.
eat over the table. Over the plate. Hey, watch
Nangyari
Not
dito.
too low. Not too low. Good.
Yeah, like a
Yeah,
big
like
girl eh.
that. Good girl. Yeah, that's right. Come on, eat.
How about you, big
What's
boy?
wrong? It's too big? Ah, okay. You have to do it like this, Francine.